Hey Planty friends, welcome back to another new video. Today we're gonna go plant shopping at Walmart and see what they have in stock. Now they literally had this Triostar Stromanthe for $16.97 as you guys can see, but I believe our foliage signature, the company, it was so beautiful. Like, look at that. Like, isn't that so cute? Oh my god. And like the little straws, aka like the leaves coming out, the new leaves coming out. It looks super cute. I love it so much. And they have some bird's nest fern, little fiddle, begonia rex. I think it's also known as strawberry begonia, some golden pothos, some ivies. Not so many like uncommon rare plants, but they did have this Triostar Stromanthe and I wanted to share with it with y'all. And also this beautiful, also this leaf was like so big. It was dirty, it's an old leaf, but it's still very impressive. But I just want to like share with you guys what they had. Also these hanging baskets of some of these shitty. Yeah. I'm pretty surprised how a lot of these plants are not looking so dead. So I'm guessing they had a new shipment and here she is again. Like, look at that. Y'all, it's so beautiful. I already have one. I got a massive one and then I had some other two ones. I ended up giving them away, but I have to admire it. Like, look at that beautiful. I don't know, that's a minute dog in the back of this leaf. Do y'all saw that? Let me know if do y'all see it? I don't know, that's a nutty bug. Even though calatheas are known, to attract spider mites and calatheas, which is like tough because they're just so beautiful and I want them all over my home. But at the same time, they're magnets to pests. I mean, they're more prone to pests. I guess I can say that. What else do they have? Y'all, look at that beautiful leaf. Oh my god. It's called the Crocodile's bird's nest fern, and as you can see why it is called that name, because those leaves look like a crocodile, and I just love it. So beautiful and unique. They still have some Arizonias left. And then here's a little tag. I want to see. For a second I thought it was broken, but that's just the way it is. It's like two leaves together, I'm guessing. Well, it's called Wild Interiors. I don't know why I said signature something. But yeah, that's the name. And to be honest, these pots, well, these plants, would be a lot more cheaper if it wasn't for those fancy glazed pots. 1000%. And he's an imperial green philodendron. Love how big those leaves are. Swiss cheese plant, aka Arizoniae, looking super cute. I love it when like the old leaves turn super yellow because they just look, I didn't even show you, but it looks super yellow and it looks really pretty. I think so. It's already getting retired. And then I saw this massive, this very long leaf of the Crocodile bird's nest fern. Oh my god, look at that. Oof, it's so massive. Now this for me is worth $16.97, 1000%. The glaze pots. They're kind of cute. By the way, let me know if you guys enjoy these kind of like videos, like slow it down with a voiceover. Some of y'all didn't seem to enjoy them when I used to do them, but I got a couple comments saying like I prefer like if I was there, and I 1000% understand. I kind of like watching videos as well, like where the background audio is there, like the cards and like the beeps of the cashiers and all that stuff. Some more beautiful golden pothos, and I'm gonna go and show y'all their foliage. I know they're very common, but they're just so beautiful. Like, beautiful. Look at that. Isn't she cute? And over here we have a purple waffle plant, which I have gotten before. Ooh, ooh. I have gotten before, but I'm an underwater kind of person, so they always die. Let me know what kind of person you are, a underwaterer or an overwaterer, or just, you know, responsible plant parents, which could never be me. And here's the shitty eye. I don't know, for me that name is like so funny. I know, I'm so immature. Also, there was no price tag. I was like, what easy? But I'm guessing because these are usually like $15. Last year they used to be like $13.97, $98, I believe. But all of the plants got a dollar raise, so it's like $14.90 or $14.97, so like $15 ish. And it also, like, the little vine was going up the plastic thingy, which is so cute. Imagine this plant on its natural habitat, like how it would just rope around itself on all of its surroundings. And then right next to these shitty eyes, we have some beautiful golden moss. They look so cute. Honestly, that would look so cute. The golden moss in a face pot, like 1000%. I have never seen that. And I think that would look so, oh no, look at the background. Y'all saw that in some webs. Yeah. Not the best location, but they do have some cute stuff. And the Triostar Stromanthe really got me shook. Some cute succulents over here. Some of them are not looking their best, but they all look beautiful in my eyes. But yeah, like, isn't that crazy, the Triostar Stromanthe? Like, that was so difficult to find back in the day, and now it's very easy. Like, a lot of these other plants, they were so hard to find, and now you can see them in big box stores. And that's just the way it is, so yeah. And here's a dark mystery pilea, and there's some dirt all over that, but this is a really dramatic plant. It's like, I don't know if it's like related to the Fittonia, but they are very the same. Like, if you forget to water it, it looks dead, like dead. But once you give it like a drink of water, it perks up like nothing has ever happened. And I love it because it doesn't crisp up really bad. So it's an amazing plant. Honestly, that's a really good plant for like beginners, because it would talk to you. And it also, from when I had it, it didn't really needed high humidity. So that's another, like, you know, a pro about that for beginners. And here's a begonia frost, I believe. I was trying to find the name tag, but I couldn't find it. Also the price. So, but these are usually for like $6.97. Another one that was pretty uncommon, like back in the day. Some orchids with their beautiful flowers. I know like these are genetically modified to like be, I don't even know if I said it right, but they were like, you know, made to put out massive flowers. I wish they also made them smell. I feel like that would boost sales, and I would definitely buy them just to like smell the beautiful flowers. And here it is, this massive leaf. It's kind of sad because I know it's gonna like leave later on, because it's like a really old leaf. And we're going outside, like in the outdoor section. We have some beautiful zinnias. Honestly, outdoor flowers, roses and knockout roses and zinnias are my favorite. Zinnias are my favorite because they're just so easy to sow by seeds. The I forget what you call it, like the rate, like growth rate, no, like succession rate. God damn it. If you buy like a packet of zinnias and you put it in your garden and like you water it every other day, it would just get so beautiful. There's so many different varieties. Like there's some dwarfs, there's some tall ones. I like the tall ones because like it's such a statement. It's like a bush of beautiful flowers, and it's just one of my favorite plants. I love zinnias. Like if we do get the rental home, I am so ready to grow so many different kinds of vegetables and of course an entire garden for butterflies, pollinators, and definitely zinnias. But over here we have some nice pots. I know like these are everybody says Walmart's, but I think they're kind of cute. Now from what I heard, they copy people like Better Homes. They copy like other companies' designs, but they're kind of cute though. Like look at this one. I love this one a lot. It's perfect for calathea. Also no price tag, but oh, it's so cute. Also, thank you for putting a drainage hole, like, but yeah. Also, those are so cute. And then we have some other stuff para acá. I was gonna show it because they did have a clearance section, but they didn't have so many great stuff. They had a bunch of succulents and cacti, as y'all can see, which are honestly not looking their best. They needed some, I think it's called TLC, Time, Love, and Care. Oh, it makes me sad though, because I know like, oh, okay, but oh my god, sorry. It's hard because I want to like talk about a specific plant that I saw, but I can't like point this like, you know, the screen. Okay, I'm gonna shut it because I'm so annoying. Alrighty guys, so that is basically it what they had at this Walmart. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any other Planty videos. And let me know if you liked any plants that you guys saw in the video. That Triostar Stromanthe was just so beautiful. Also, let me know if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, like voiceovers and slowed down. Let me know. Dime, por favor. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Sending positive vibes to each and every single one of y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye!